Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change a Wi-Fi on Ring. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, you're gonna go ahead, access your Ring app on your mobile phone. You're gonna go back to your main home section. You can find here, you will be able to find all of the devices that you have done the setup for. Afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top. Now go ahead, tap on the device, tap on this option called devices, and go ahead, select the doorbell or camera you would like to reconnect, and then you're gonna go ahead, tap on that particular device over here and select the doorbell or either the camera. Once you have done so, tap on this device health life, that will be given option there. Once you have tapped on it, and this under network section, you can find this option called change network option, and then tap on this change Wi-Fi network option. Afterwards, tap on the setup button option and go ahead, change it according to Wi-Fi network. Tap on this continue option. Your Wi-Fi will be changed. For you to change, see your changes, go to this option called device health option, and then you will be able to see if your device is connected with another Wi-Fi or not. So that way you will be able to change it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.